Extremely bullish month has come to a close for oil, where it has almost gained 15% in a single month. Those who watched the last month's analysis before the beginning of July, we have discussed that. See, it is signaling a reversal after a series of red candles. We can see a potential rise, and we can also expect it to come back to this zone. In our weekly analysis, in our daily analysis, we have been discussing this, that we were targeting 80 plus levels, and precisely it has closed the month above 80 levels. I hope you all profited. 15% rise in 1 month. Now, what to expect next month? Is it going to continue with the second bullish candle, or we can see it retracing on the downside? Which position you should take in the month of August for crude oil? Also for the next week, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my twice a day analysis on crude oil, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Both analyses are equally important. Definitely it adds meaning to your day trading decisions, and hence press the bell icon. Also, everyone, please do press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment. This has always been a great motivation. In this analysis, first we'll look into candlestick charts, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. With that, let's start. And yes, do watch till the end. Now let's have a look at the daily charts first. See, first of all, oil has formed the bottom here, and at this point I have told you that there is a breakout scene, and it is going to continue with the rally here. We are going to look at 80 plus level. Next milestone is around 74-75, and beyond that is sky's the limit. Same thing has happened. Oil has since then continued in this bullish channel. You can see higher highs, higher lows are seen. So yes, it is a bullish journey which oil has started, which it can continue for a while. Now if you look at the last few sessions, now the support is created first here at 76 or 77 levels. This is the strongest support, very important support, and then next at 74. So these two levels are very important for the, not only for the month of August, for the not only for the next week, but for the complete month. 77, 76 levels, and then 74 levels. Still here, extremely good support exists for oil. Now if you look at the daily chart, see, higher lows are still seen and higher highs are seen. So a breakout above this zone at 80.1, you should stay long, and it is going to give you series of bullish candle, and this is going to be a rapid rise, and it would try to achieve these levels here at 83. At least before looking forward to any downside, it can try to achieve 83, forming the double top, could retrace a little. This is one expectation. Now remember, it has closed the week on a flat top level, and this is very important. This is a bullish closing, and hence it can continue with the bullish movement here. Support on the daily basis is at 79 here. So first support at 79, then at 77, then at 74. These three levels definitely are going to be important. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. Now see, in last week in our monthly analysis, we have discussed that, see, after forming the bottom, you look at this, how beautifully these 3 to 4 candles are aligned here, and this time it has fallen short of the bottom here. This suggests that a possible reversal is on the cards here, because every time it has achieved the bottom, it has not achieved the bottom here, it has reversed from here. This was a possible bullish reversal indication. And also, now, see, this was the highs here. This is also the median of this complete channel in which oil is trying to trade. Now, where is the top of channel? Top of this channel is now sitting at around 90 to 95 zone. This is going to be important. The more time it takes, the levels are going to remain become lower. However, this is going to remain important, that in next few weeks we may see oil coming till towards 90 to 95 levels. And when I say next few weeks, it means 3 to 6 months, you can say. It can do it in 1 month also. It can do it. See, if it can rise 15% in a single month, and even if it gives 15% in this month, it will be automatically at this level. So it needs only one monthly bullish candle to reach out to these levels. However, I am giving you a little moderate outlook and suggesting that 3 to at worst 3 months, and worst to worst 6 months, it will try to hit those levels here. It can happen in 1 month also. Next is what it is trying to do. You should see here on the weekly charts, it has consolidated and this breakout. Now see, it has come back till towards these levels. You can see why these levels are important. Very strong resistance are seen here at 80-81 and then at 82-83. These levels are very important for crude here. Breaking beyond this zone is where sky is the limit on the upside. We are directly looking at 90 levels. So 80-81 first zone, then 83, 82-83 the next zone. Beyond that, sky is the limit. So this is first part. Yes, it has bullishness there. Yes, it can rise. It can continue with the bullish momentum. Coming to the monthly charts. Coming to the monthly charts, see oil after a series of red candles and a minor bullish candle last month have erased all the losses for last 4 to 5 months. You can see it has come back till towards the closing level in the month of November here. See, in November, the closing was at 80.5, 81 levels, and you can see the highs were here at 82, 83. So now almost 6 to 7 months of losses are erased, and now it is trying to trade bullish. Also, second observation is a flat closing, a bullish closing is a very important observation. If it continues to move upside, even if it stays above 82, 83, it will not look back. Remember, it will not look back. It is going to give you another extremely bullish candle and it can in fact erase the losses for last 1 year coming till towards 92, 93 levels. Hence, any rise above 82, 83 in the month of August, just stay long. It is going to give you extremely bullish candle here. Another 15% can be expected if it stays above 82, 83 levels. And for next week, I will be definitely watchful of how it behaves at around 80.5, 81 first target, then 81.4 and then 81.9 levels. So these levels are important. Beyond that, we can see more bullish momentum. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? Indicators on the monthly charts. Now it is, see, first of all, prices were divergent from the moving average. It is converged towards the 100 period average. Now trying to reverse, it is trading above the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. Certainly it is now possibly can get the little resistance on the upside before it continues further. Yes, it is trying to reverse. Stochastic is rising on the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, now see the MACD and look at the formation and the movement of MACD here. And see, we have been discussing this since months now. Do watch my 2023 beginning analysis where we have discussed in detail. Now see, this was the first wave, this is the second wave, and this is potentially beginning of the third wave here. Be careful. Look at the conversion on the MACD here. Yes, I will wait for the crossover. If it does and if it breaks past this, certainly you can say that the third wave is beginning. Or you can say third wave has begun and it is going to achieve higher highs here. How beautiful the formation is. Anyone can predict that in the near term oil might remain bullish if it crosses over. This is the beauty of analysis. RSI is rising here. Coming to the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, this was the bearish cross between the 20 and 50 period moving average, and now in fact we have seen the crossover between the 50 and 100. Now see, all the moving averages have started to look upwards. I will again wait for a crossover. If these crosses over trades with divergence, certainly you can say that oil is done with the drop and it is reversing. See, this was the bullish cross earlier where we have seen this momentum continued for weeks and almost couple of years, and now this is the bearish cross here. It is trading with bearishness since then, and if you look at after a long time now, it is trading about 20, 50, 100 moving average. This is a good sign. I will wait for the crossover here. Second is the stochastic has come to overbought level. It does not mean that it cannot sustain this. Yes, it can sustain it for next couple of weeks or so. Next is the rise in MACD. See, MACD has stationed here at bottom, and I told you, see, this wave is complete. It is settling down at bottom and the rise is going to be further expected. You can see here it is also trading in this bullish channel. This was the first wave. This is the beginning of the second wave, and this could continue for a while. However, I will be watchful. The divergence have just started. Possibly next couple of weeks or more are going to be more divergent, more bullish. So we have to be watchful with the shorts there. RSI is also rising here. Good enough space is available for RSI to continue with the bullish momentum. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, moving average crossover is seen here. And this is important. Now the 20 and 100, now the 50 and 100. All the three moving averages have crossed over. it has still room for it to continue with the up move, continue with the divergence, continue with the bullish momentum. You can see this crossover is happening after 3 months. This was the bearish cross, this is the bullish cross, and this might continue for a while from now. And see, last time when we had this confirmed bullish crossover was here in 2022. We have seen a sharp rally here on the daily chart. After that, this was the bearish cross. It is since then traded bearish. There were couple of incidences when it tried to trade bullish, however failed to sustain, and we have seen immediate reversal. This time it is divergent and we can expect it to continue. Second is the divergence of the moving average from the price. 76 levels, 74 levels, these 77, 74 levels are, these two levels are going to remain extremely important support on the downside. Any break below 74 is where we should completely turn bearish. Till the time it should be perfect for us to stay bullish and buy more. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards. Now interestingly, look at MACD here. Though it is not the case that a MACD cannot achieve higher levels, see this time here, but those are random times when post-COVID, we have seen extreme rally. But right now also, if you look at energy prices might achieve higher on MACD, and hence it can continue with the bullish momentum for a little while from now. RSI again overbought. So yes, month of July, it appears, might stay again extremely or strongly bullish. And specifically, we should watch out for 82, 83 or then 85 levels, beyond which sky is the limit here. And on the downside, as we have discussed, till 74, we should not treat this as bearish, and every drop is an opportunity to buy, because see, after a rise, every rise, it always tries to retrace or pull back a little, and hence you should not be afraid about the retracement here. Now let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next week and next month. And before I proceed and provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start in first week of August. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are available in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. You can buy here at first, where it is gone. Yes, you can buy here at 80.8. Expect 81.4, 81.9. Now see, once it stays above this zone at 80.8, 81.4, we should see extreme bullishness here. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to 83 levels directly. This is, as we have discussed, is going to remain an important zone for oil. Beyond this, we can expect 84.2, 85 levels or 85.1 levels. So this is the next important levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Remember my words, sky is the limit. In the month of August, we are going to look at 87.5, 90.2, 91.8 and 92.5. Till here, it is possible for oil to give you a rise. In the beginning of this month, it appears that this is a distant dream. However, this was the 80 was also a distant dream at the beginning of the month of July, and yes, it achieved. So this is, anything and everything is possible in markets. Now where to sell? I will recommend a sell here. See, it has got a flat opening, flat closing there, so it can give you a flat opening and taking bearish from there. So yes, you can sell here at 80.2 levels, below that 79.8. Now, or rather I will say 79.6. These are the two levels you should watch out for. If it stays below this, next target is 79, important, and below 79 we are going to look at, I will expect it to directly come back till towards 77.8 and 77 levels. And if these two are like a, see, these are good support. There are very good supports on the downside, and specifically this zone is going to remain important for crude oil, 76, 77 in the month of August. Complete month, these are going to be very strong support levels, and then we are going to look at 74, 75 levels. Till here, it's fine. It can bounce back. I will not be treating, or I will not be considering oil as bearish till 74, 75. Every drop is an opportunity to buy. Once again, I am indicating, I am suggesting, do not treat this as bearish. Only breakout below 74, only staying below 74, you should treat oil as bearish. Else, retracement from $80 levels till towards 76, 77 cannot be denied, and a rise from there is what I will expect. Take your trades accordingly, trade your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, join my mentorship batch, join my signals. And before leaving the video, just press the like button. It's always been a great motivation. Do share, subscribe, and comment. Every comment is what moves and motivates me. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.